All right, guys, I have another cocktail, very refreshing, the Pomegranate Gin Fizz. This is going to be a shaken cocktail, so we are going to need our shaker tins, our jigger to measure. We are going to be using fresh juice, so we need our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer. This one is going to be going in a Collins glass. As always, the ingredient list is going to be listed down below, so you can work along with me and make the cocktail together. We're going to start off with half an ounce of lemon juice. Following that up by half an ounce of simple syrup. Then we're going to use pomegranate juice. We're going to do a full ounce of pomegranate juice. And then your spirit of choice, we're going to use just a standard gin, and we're going to do 2 ounces of that. I will say I prefer my gin to be a little bit more on the floral side compared to the juniper-y side, but hey, to each their own. As always, we're going to fill this shaker tin all the way to the brim with ice. And remember, guys, if you're enjoying the content, you like making cocktails with me, or just seeing my beautiful face every day, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can get those daily cocktail recipes all the time. And we're going to shake until this is ice cold in our hands. Now for this one, we are going to put ice in our Collins glass, about halfway, depending on what kind of ice that you're using. I've got basic ice. Of course, remember we've got fresh juice in there, so we're going to use our mesh strainer for this. And it's not fizzy without the fizz, so we need to top it off with some club soda. Ugh, beautiful. Now, obviously, all of our club soda is going to be sitting up at the top, so before you actually take a big sip of this, my recommendation is give it a nice stir just to incorporate that club soda. And then we're going to take a beautiful lemon peel, express over the top, give it kind of a little bit of a curve to it, and then it's going to go straight in. Make sure that the peel is facing outward because, well, you want other people to see the peel, right? And there is that gorgeous and refreshing pomegranate gin fizz. Until the next pour, cheers.